an easier way on how to put ribbon on your Christmas tree. Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Kat and we are back for another video. I do understand that putting ribbon on your Christmas tree is quite intimidating. And for today, I'm gonna be sharing an easier way, less intimidating, on how to put ribbon on your Christmas tree. I will be pre-decorating the Christmas tree first. I will strategically put the Christmas ornaments on this Christmas tree. I'll be recycling some ornaments from last year and previous years because I don't want to spend a lot this year. We will try to add a little bit of twist and make it looks different from last year's Christmas decoration. So now we are done putting the ornaments on the Christmas tree. And as you see, there are some gaps that we needed to fill in. And what we're going to do is we're going to add ribbon. So again, this is a wired ribbon that we're going to use. And I'm gonna show you an easier way to add ribbon on your Christmas tree. So we're going to cut at least 12 inches strips, this long. Here, and then we're going to fold each side to create a ruffled look. So this way. See that? Okay, and then the next side. Again, you can only do this on a wired ribbon. Okay, and then here's the final look. It looks like a raffle. And then we are going to put this on the some gaps that we needed to fill in. Here's another way of folding the sides. So we are going to do an alternating fold, so like this way and then the opposite, so it creates a pattern. See that? And then let's try it on the other side. Just hide that edge this way, that way. So that's the final look. We're going to create a look when we put it on the tree. I highly recommend cutting or preparing multiple strips ahead. here's how I added the ribbon on the tree. I don't need to tie it on the tree branch, but instead I securely put it in between branches. And of course, for the finishing touch and look, I added a few pics. Okay guys, we are finally done. Here's the final look of our tree. I'm going to turn on the Christmas lights. So that's it for today guys. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Until on my next video, bye guys, God bless!